On the Ivanti side, we only had one update this month from the Ivanti product lines. This is for Ivanti Endpoint Manager. And there are 3 total CVEs that were being resolved, 1 new CVE and 2 that were resolved that were previously disclosed in October. So that is the lineup of 3 that are included in there. Just a quick note for any organizations that are still running on 2022, that did reach end of life at the end of October last month. So there's not going to be a patch release for 2022 as well. The 2024 SU4 release is the version that you want to get to, and that will keep you on the track for keeping up with vulnerabilities and updates for EPM. So that is the update from the Ivanti side. On the Linux side, there are 3 CVEs that we're going to talk about today. So again, for those of you who may be new to the event or maybe haven't joined in a little while, we've got a partnership with a vendor called Tux Care. Tux Care specializes in patching in the Linux world. And one of the things that they do distinctly different is they do what's called live patching, where they can patch the Linux kernel and several other of the critical applications without having to reboot the system. Their approach to that allows them to update the packages actively being used and ensuring that those packages are up to the secured level. So a good solution to complement what our solution does, our approach to patching is a contentless one where we can see any packages that are on your repository and help you to manage the update of those for your Linux systems. Tux Care can make it so that in your data center environments, especially for those critical workloads, you can focus on specific Linux packages like the kernel and update those without as much downtime on a regular basis. So that live patching approach is something that they've been doing for years. They also have extended support for certain Linux distros that are still commonly being used. So if you're still running some of the older Ubuntu editions that are end of life now, they have an ESU option available directly from them that can help you to keep securing those devices for that extended life as well. What they also do is they feed some of the top vulnerabilities that you want to keep an eye on in the Linux world over to Todd and I to share with you all. 2 out of 3 of these this month are just ones to keep an eye on. One of them is actually hitting the news already. So we're going to talk a little bit about those. I'll start with the one in the news, and then we'll jump over to